Most accidents are caused by distraction, tiredness, or lack of concentration. Lane keeping support is a system that significantly reduces these risk factors. LKS operates at speeds from 60 km per hour and monitors the truck's position on the road. If the driver unintentionally crosses a road marking, he is alerted by a buzzer. The LKS system is an option designed for long-haul operations. It is easily activated and deactivated via a switch on the instrument panel.